We are here at the Holiday Inn Express at Major Boulevard. Our room number is 707. Okay, when you first come in, there is the bathroom over here. Oop. Here we go. There's a mirror. There is a microwave, a mini fridge. The two beds. It is 3:35 right now in the afternoon. And we are at Holiday Inn Express nearest to Universal. So this is the view. You can see some of the Universal rides over there. DoubleTree. And we just got off Route 4, which is very convenient. And right across the street where that red car just came in, if you walk from the hotel and go across the street there, about 5 minutes up the road, there is a Walgreens and the liquor store. So we'll probably walk up there. And here's the room again. And I think Glen is in the stalled position. Just wanted to show you the picture that's outside. Thank you. And this is going into the hallway. This is the real pretty picture that's outside our room, and palm trees and a Ferris wheel. And we're just a couple of doorways down from the elevator. Here it is. And one on this side. Okay, so it looks as though if you go up there, there is a Colby's Steakhouse. They said a Miller's Ale House. And it looks like it's starting to rain. We got here in just good time. I see a Waffle House. We just came from one of those. Burger King across the street. So we're very convenient to everything. 2 minutes later, now it's really pelting out. Look at it. Glen was just about to put the parking sticker on the car.
Out the back, avoid all this.
Hi everybody, good morning. We are at the Holiday Inn Express in Orlando at Major Boulevard, close to Universal. It is Sunday morning, August 31st, around 7:20 right now. The address here is 5605 Major Boulevard. So I will give you a little tour. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Yesterday we checked in and it was nice, and then it started to pour. And the weatherman has predicted rain this whole weekend, but we've been very, very lucky. I just met a girl that's going to Universal today. She's from Toronto and she's very excited. They do have transportation to the theme parks, and it's a city walk, but it is a limited schedule. When you first come in, they do have a marketplace, computer set up, little sitting area. Epic Universe. If you get hungry on your stay and you don't want to go out, the marketplace has a lot of snacks and something to munch on. Across the way there, we do have the front desk where you do check in. This is an IHG hotel, and if you are a member, you can, if available, you can get a late checkout. For your convenience, they do have a stand set up over here if you have any questions about Universal. Okay. ATM machine. They have a coffee set up. It's funny, in the elevator it says they do have a complimentary breakfast, 6:30 to 9:30, and then on the weekends it's 7 to 10. It's a little, maybe 7:30 right now, and it said green light go like an hour when it first starts. It's pretty crowded right now, probably because it is on a Sunday, but they do have coffee set up right here. Wow, this is huge. So let's go through it really quick. They have their famous pancake machine, the sweet rolls, and there's the pancakes coming out right over here. Excuse me. All right, they have biscuits, sausage gravy, turkey sausage, pork sausage, cheese omelet, and egg white and veggie omelet. Oatmeal and all the condiments. A juice machine. Very big dining room. And then tucked away in the corner here, dancing, we have the Blues Brothers. Who remembers what year that movie comes out? And look at the size of this dining room. It's huge. We are staying also tomorrow. Tonight until tomorrow, so it is Labor Day weekend, so I'm wondering if it's going to be this crowded. But I can come down and try to re-record it so there's not that many people. So now I am walking towards the front desk area again. Another coffee area that they have set up. Here are where the elevators are located. If you need any ideas, they have all kinds of information here. Okay, and here is the pool area. It's 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. So it's not quite open yet. Starts at 3 feet. Man's cleaning the bottom of the pool. And it looks like at the other end it's 4, and when you get in the middle it's 5 feet 3 inches. This is really nice. They do have a shower area over here. Okay, I'm trying to dig out my room key. He needed to get back in. Here we go. Okay. That is the tour. Let's go look at the schedule to go to the park. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so here is the hotel shuttle. We are at the Holiday Inn Express. 7:15, 8:50, 9:45, 10:45. City Walk, it's 5:25, 6:30. Oh, that returns. Okay. That's returning from City Walk. Here's the schedule for the Epic Universe. 7:50, 9:45, 10:55, 12. And then returning is in the afternoon, 5:25. This schedule here for the Universal Resort, is that also for City Walk?
That is the City Walk one.
Oh, okay.
That's for Islands, Universal, and Volcano Bay.
Oh, okay. Thank you. And this here is for the park. Okay.
That's for Epic.
Oh, for Epic. Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Oh, there's some nice lanyards here that he's displaying. Very nice. SeaWorld has a spooktacular. It's going on now, and the all-new Kite Line, the surf coaster, the world's first surf coaster. And you can buy your tickets here. Okay, and we do have Volcano Bay. I wanted to look at that. Four amazing parks, Universal Studios, Epic, Islands, and Volcano Bay. And you can buy your tickets right here with this gentleman. Here's Islands of Adventure.
Vacation planning, this is Frank. Now you have to come down to the desk in person.
Okay, so let's look at this again to go to City Walk. So it's 7:15, 8:50, 9:45, and 10:45. Okay. Horror Nights. Okay, so it did say that you need to make a reservation 24 hours in advance. I will go back and ask them if you can make it the day of, if you haven't been here 24 hours and you didn't know. All right, well, I'm sure we'll be going back down for breakfast, and we will see you in a little bit. I'm going to go back up to the room, and I will take a video of our view. We are on the 7th floor. And when I left, Glen was still sleeping, so if it is quiet, that's the reason why. Alrighty. Let's go up on the elevator. Okay, and this is, it says, breakfast can be busy. And it says green light is 6:30 to 7:30. That's why I came down now, but it actually opened at 7. crossroads are getting busier at 7:30 to 8:30 and 8:30 to 9:30, heavy traffic. So there you have it. Hi everybody, good morning. Today is September 1st. Happy Labor Day. We are at the Holiday Inn Express Major Boulevard in Orlando. This is the view from our window. We are on the 7th floor. This weekend they did call for rain, and we did get a little bit, but not really that much. We were lucky. In the distance you can see rides from Universal. What we like about AHG hotels is that they do provide a complimentary breakfast at the Holiday Inn Express, and this hotel had free parking. So let's go to breakfast. We'll see you there. We are down in the lobby area and we are ready to have breakfast. So let's see if it's as crowded as yesterday morning. Okay, there's the coffee station. And again, here are their famous pancakes, their sweet rolls. And for the hot food, hi, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good, thank you. There's biscuits, sausage gravy, turkey sausage, bacon. Oh, they didn't have this yesterday. Cheese omelets and veggie omelets. They do have oatmeal over this side here. Pastries, croissants, cereal, fruit. Of course, the coffee area over there. And it is just as crowded as yesterday. There's a juice machine and yogurt and eggs. And this is all complimentary. Hi, good morning. Okay, so here is the sign. Maximum capacity is 60. Breakfast hours are Monday through Friday, 6:30 to 9:30. And then on the weekend, 7 to 10. Okay, let's go enjoy.